walk downtown. We're going on a little artist date today, and I thought I would take you with me so you can see what I do for an artist date. I feel like that was a very successful artist date. The point of the artist date is to just go out and do something fun, creative, just take yourself out on a date to refill yourself creatively, and going thrifting into some of my favorite stores always does that for me. Plus I got some good finds that I will show you at a later date. So thanks for coming with me on my artist date. It was really about 2 hours of just browsing, shopping, getting a snack, and it is good for the soul. I hope that you take the chance to do a little bit of self-care yourself and go on a little artist date. And if you discover anything cool, post it on Instagram and tag me at Scribbles from Emily. And thanks so much for coming along with me, and we'll talk to you later.